I just purchased new carnivorous plants. I will unbox them as soon as possible. Nepenthes bachiana slowey. It is characterized by its reddish pitcher. Will it grow to have a dark color and pitcher like Nepenthes bachiana, or will it have a pitcher shape like bachiana slowey? I am very much looking forward to seeing how it will turn out. We don't have a big pitcher yet, but we would like to make a big pitcher in the right environment. 1 month later. Replanting Nepenthes bachiana slowey. Cut the dead parts. Disinfect the scissors by heating them over a fire, cutting the dead pitcher. It is now clean. Now let's take them out of the pots. Slowly remove the pitcher from the pot so as not to damage the roots. Wash off the old soil with water. The pot is now clean. Use a tall flower pot for repotting. The coconut husk chips used in this project have had the lye removed, so there is no need to soak them in water. After adding this amount of kanuma soil, after this amount of water has been added, the Nepenthes are planted. Plant the Nepenthes in the right position. After the position is decided, fill the gap with soil. After adding this amount of kanuma soil, coconut husk chips are placed on top. This is to prevent kanuma soil from spilling out when watering. I also wanted to see if there was any difference in growth between the kanuma soil and coconut husk chips mixed in the same Highland Nepenthes soil and the kanuma soil with coconut husk chips on top. This is from a repotting of Rob Cantley Akamata. I also put a mixture of kanuma soil and coconut husk chips in the flower pot. What kind of soil do you use for your Highland Nepenthes? Let me know in the comments. I just finished replanting like this. Finally, water the plants, and when the water from the bottom is clear, you are done. I will make a video of the growth of Nepenthes bachiana loei that I replanted this time. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a high rating. Thank you for watching.